Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's get this money. I'm so excited you guys are here today. Try to be here before the bell opens, but we don't pop in till 9:35 or so. Yep. Let's get it cracking, guys. Righty. Okay. So we got this going. Bell's about to ring. Thank you, God, for a great day. Thank you for the blessings. Thank you, universe, for providing us great plays every day. And all the people who make these amazing analytics for us so we can make money quickly and not be stressed and then go put it into the universe. Thank you. All right, let's go. All right, it's 9:30. Bell is ringing. Let's get it. All right, coming out the gate, Tesla popping up. Let's go. Palantir, IWM, everything is moving. Let's go. Today is an up day until it's not. Um, in my opinion, I think we're going to hit a lot of highs today and then we're going to take a sharp move down. Just letting you guys know what I'm feeling. So make sure you don't jump in too fast. Let the first 5-minute bar print. Let it find its rhythm. SPY is already up 694. It was at 690 yesterday, so it already did $4 overnight. Tesla already broke out of the box. Let's go. All righty, here we go. This is what we have available today. Looking like Palantir up, AMD going crazy. Let's see, AMD, XLE down. Glad I exited yesterday. All right. AMD up. I'm letting the first 5-minute bar print. I'm letting all the liquidity get out. There's no point in just jumping in for a harsh pullback. It's just no point of it. Brace yourself. Breathe. Breathe through it. I know how exciting it is to see those candles fly up. I know. Trust me. Trust me. But we're just going to have to breathe. Tesla already pulled back to its box. That just shows you. If you would have jumped in at 444, you'd already been in red right now. That's why you got to breathe. 5 minutes. Take a deep breath. Get a sip of your coffee or your tea. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Palantir, AMD, TIGR looking like it might come up. XLE dropping sharply. I am so glad I got out of there. Hope you can grab your profit. I mean, anytime you see a push up like that, you need to get the heck out at the end of the day because it needs to adjust itself. So everybody who took their profit on CBX yesterday, congratulations. All right. Tesla breaking again. 444 level. Next level is 448. Nvidia up. Tesla up. SPY has yet to break the box yet. 2 more minutes left in a 5-minute candle. SPY has already pushed up $4 overnight. Please don't expect to get blood out of a turnip, but it may push up higher than that. If it can break up out of the box, out of 695, we are looking for another run up. Nvidia, I'm going to check on Nvidia. I'm going to switch out of SPY for just a second and look at Nvidia. Nvidia looks really good, guys. Really good. A potential level here. Let me see. Potential level on NVIDIA. Let me go to a higher time frame here. Potential level on NVIDIA 190. So our first one is 188. If it can break 188 today, then we're looking at 190. Okay, we're looking at 188 and 190 on NVIDIA. Tesla looks good. Tesla just pulled back. I need to see it break and hold above 444 for me to want to get in. NVIDIA looks like it's probably going to be solid as far as breaking up above the block. All right, Tesla holding above its range. Let me see here. All right. Popped up out of the range, pulled back on 444. What is it going to do, guys? Sellers are filling the room. Looks like they couldn't hold it down. Okay. I need to see that 5-minute break on NVIDIA. Remember, look at the color change events that occur on the 2-minute chart. I just flipped it over to the 2-minute chart. Excuse me. All right, SPY pulled up to the high of the block, pulled back just a little bit. Looks like it's readjusting itself, and if it can push up to 695, we may be able to get to our next level on that, which is between 697 and 698. I'm still not in anything right now, just looking. I need to see a repetitive amount of volume push in for me to jump in. Tesla really might be a buy today, guys. Yeah, I'm liking Tesla for maybe 444 to 448. I like it. Remember, SPY pulled up $4 overnight, so let's see what else SPY can do for us. I love Tesla. Y'all trying to get some money today? Tesla might be the way to go, guys. Tesla might be the way to go. Just keeping it real. Oh yeah, the contracts is cheap too. I'm looking at if it can push up to 444. I'm looking at the $18 call on TSLL. Oh snap. What the heck? Okay. All right, guys. Waiting for pulling in. Let's see. Tesla is very loyal with its levels. I'm just trying to see if it can break 444. We are looking at 448. Looks like there is more volume coming into Tesla. And 448 may be able to be hit. And then that means you can go ahead and get into your contract. If it can cross 44444. I'm watching and waiting to see what it's going to do. Okay. Pulling down on VWAP right now. Walmart JPM. Tesla is touching the top of its box. That would be, if it can pull up off of that box, that would be a good entry point. If it can pull up and hold above that. All right, SPY look NVIDIA. Let's see. NVIDIA looks really good. JPM. Let me look at JPM's situation here. JPM. Oh yeah, JPM is nice. JPM pays, guys. Tesla about the halfway mark, about 50% from the 5-minute bar on its first 5-minute candle. So it is pulling up off of that. Buyers are coming into Tesla on the 5-minute. Everything buyers coming in on everybody. SPY buyers coming in on everybody. NVIDIA, IWM. JPM. Nice. Remember, if you're going to do IWM, it does switch up on you around 950. So if you're going to get it, get in what you're going to get. A little trick. A little trick here is to let the first hour bar form and then enter in above it or on the side of it. A little trick that works really well. Let that 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock bar form. It's going to be formed in the next 20 minutes. So we have time to let it do whatever it's going to do. Tesla is hitting the 72 moving average on the 1 hour chart. It might kind of fluctuate in that range. And then it'll have to make a decision if it's going to go down or up. I'm looking on the 1 hour charts, guys. But I'm keeping the 2-minute chart up. Okay. Let's see what we're going to do. All right. Tesla getting more buyers in. So if you're going to look at your charts, keep a 1 hour chart up or a 30-minute chart up and then a smaller time frame. NVIDIA looks so good, guys. NVIDIA is right now the king. SPY looks like it is the next king. It wants to hit that bar up at 694. Just trying to be patient here. Yes, buyers coming into SPY. Buyers coming in. All right. NVIDIA is the winner today, guys, for sure. Hope y'all are in NVIDIA. It looks good, delicious. SPY going up. Trying to see what else is going on. NVIDIA is definitely the winner here, guys. I don't know about y'all, but if you can't afford NVIDIA contracts, NVDL is always great too. But honestly, NVIDIA is not bad at all. They're at like $77 for contracts. And I think it's going to go to 190. All right. I definitely like NVIDIA. I'm liking Tesla. Well, y'all already know how I feel about Tesla. If you would like to enter, Tesla looks good to go in. If you want to do TSLL, this would be the good entry place for that. NVIDIA is probably going to 190. We got some good runners here, guys. SPY pushing. We're in green. Let's go. I'm up on NVIDIA. I'm gonna ride NVIDIA to 190. Hopefully, my stop loss is 187, but my take profit is gonna be around 190. I like that. I'm up 20% on NVIDIA. Tesla's moving. I like Tesla. TSLL looks like it does want to probably go to 444. SPY has buyers coming in. QQQ has buyers coming in. All right, everybody's doing his job today. They want to close the week out nice. Tomorrow is the last day, so we're going to see what'll happen. This might be a high day, and then tomorrow leverages itself out, or maybe some puts tomorrow. Remember, 951 is going to be the pullback. So remember that when you're in here. Ugh. I like Tesla. I'm still trying to see if Tesla is going to get up to 444. It is holding above the box. If it can push up to 444, 443, let's get it. We talking about $12 contracts. Come on, push up. That would be fantastical. Oh yeah. Nice on TSLO. Nice on NVIDIA. All right. Volume looks like it's pouring into Tesla. We're in green. 44444 is my hope for this. Just, just trying to watch it. Let's see here. All right. Tesla just had a pop of volume going in. NVIDIA. Okay, is it going to get to 444? Remember, Tesla always really just rides level to level. It doesn't do any really big surprises like that. It just typically does level to level. Very easy. It's not trying to psych you out. It's just saying get your profit and get out. It's not trying to play with your emotions. Just ride it level to level. NVIDIA looks good. It may look like it's going to get to the 190 mark. Don't buy too far out the money because remember, it won't work. Your contracts will just stagnate. Try to find tickers that work in your budget, please, or you will just waste your money. and I don't want you to waste your money in here. I really don't. So find your budget. Sometimes it's just good to watch what the tickers do and then see how much it offers and then prepare to get in, another day. But find out what works with you. TSL works with most people. SPY works with most people. TQQQ. All right, we had our 949, 950 pullback. This is going to determine what it is. I hope you guys got your green when it popped up. If not, come into the second shift after this pullback, which is close to 10 o'clock. You don't have to jump in if you're not comfortable. Hi, good morning, Car from the Hills. I'm so glad you're with us today. I'll be looking at all these screens. Sometimes I forget to look at the chat. All right, we're looking at Tesla. Looks like it may want to try to get to 444. It is trying. If it does get to 444, it may just pull back immediately. Excuse me. All right, NVIDIA is pulling back. Remember, it's 951, so bear with it. This is where people, I tell you, don't get in before 951 if it's going to stress you out. Please don't. These are where the losses happen, where you give your market back because you didn't hold it or you got in too late, the timing wasn't right. And then the best thing to do is just wait till it's after this pullback and then hop in. It's really, really good timing like that. So just do a tester in the market and then figure out what is it going to do for the rest of the day. Okay. AMD looking good. All right. All right, we are looking here. AMD is the winner right now. Lots of volume pouring in AMD. NVIDIA looks like more lifeblood is flowing into NVIDIA and Tesla. Remember, that pullback is scary. Don't get into the rodeo if you don't know how to ride the horse. You just wait for it to have a nice, smooth push off, and then you get in. But this 950 little pocket is scary for people because you will be in red. I promise you. You'll be in red most times if you get in too early. So just let that little pullback happen and then find the direction for the day. Or if you just have to trade, buy something super cheap. And there were a ton of cheap contracts this morning and let it play out. Walmart, let's see, IWM, AMD is still looking really nice. Okay. All right. AMD is strong. Oh, IWM. Y'all need to jump in. Is IWM looking good for you guys? Yes. IWM is flowing. Super cheap on IWM. Super cheap. How long IWM stays in though? That's always the question for me. I'd be like, yeah, I don't know. We have 5 more minutes to complete this candle on the 1 hour. So hold for 5 minutes and wait to see what it does. Hold. Then when you see the next bar open on the 1 hour chart, this is a real hack. What you're going to do is you're going to wait till the price breaks that candle. So right here, I'm going to turn off this little box for right now. So once it hits this 1 hour candle, once it closes, then you will know what to do for the rest of your day on that candle. It'll either break above it or it will tank below it. So we're just waiting to see what it's going to do. That 1 hour candle is a real game changer because you can just trade the next 15 minutes of that candle and be out for the day. You're not supposed to just sit there for the whole hour. Just get the liquidity and go. So we're gonna watch. This is an experiment, and make sure you got your charts up. I'm just here to call out plays, okay? BABA, IWM, AMD. Let me put it on BABA. SPY is just chilling here at this order block. Silver look like it's going up. We go to BABA. BABA looks fantastical. Let's see. NVIDIA. All right, we got 4 more minutes to complete the candle from the 9 to the 10 o'clock candle. 4 more minutes. 4 minutes. Then we can see real direction on which way you want to go and then get your money. Very easy way to trade. But right now, BABA is got a nice little range up. BABA could get to 172, and it does pay nice. I like BABA a lot. And let's see. Let me tell you what BABA looks like. Oh, BABA's not too bad. $72 calls. We got $37 calls. We got $17. And I believe it looks like it's going to 172 if it can hold the line on that. See, remember, we're right. We're 3 more minutes, so we're just watching until this candle closes because it can pull back quick on you, and then you're stuck. All right. The last 2 minutes of the candle typically show you how it's going to behave going forward. This is a learning lesson, guys. Like Nvidia is moving up, Tesla is moving up, but Tesla might keep knocking that 444 level. But you see how price is moving up. Okay, last 2 minutes of the candle really show a lot. So now Tesla decides it's 442.10. You see how it's pulling down? 2 more minutes till this closes, and then we'll have a direction for how we should go to the next line. JPM looks really good. Two more minutes. All right. AMD looks good. All right, so our winners right now is JPM, AMD, Tesla still has buying in it. It's just not really it's not really robust for me. Nvidia definitely looks healthy, and Tesla looks like it's just getting over a cold. I don't know how else to describe it. SPY got all the way up to dang near what is it? It got up to 694 today. IWM pushing. All right, guys, one more minute and a new candle starts. That's when you're gonna really see something. All right, new candle starting now. First, it's gonna come down a little bit, then it'll push up if it's healthy. So Nvidia, as you see it push down a little bit, it's hanging up at the top. So is Tesla. Tesla opened up higher. Ah, there you go. Y'all can watch it real time how this works. It's a beautiful thing when you enter in above that 1 hour candle, but you need to wait. Look, it's 10 o'clock still. It's still figuring it out. It's grabbing all the buyers and the sellers from the previous levels. This is like, you know, if you go to college, you have to go to college for 4 years. Please don't think you're gonna get rich overnight trading. You have to study. You have to study and know its movements. It's okay to give yourself time because the minute it clicks, you guys are gonna be raking in money and you're gonna be like, yes, thank you, God. All right, SPY broke above, silver broke above, IWM broke above. Everything's breaking above. Nvidia is struggling, but I think that Nvidia is gonna be okay. All right. IWM is bomb looking right now. Baba looks good. Okay. IWM is nice. And it's cheap. Mm. All right, let it fill yourself out now. All right. Tesla is still the new candle is above it. Nvidia looks like it's about to go above. Patience. IWM is 264. There we go. All right, we are in the thick of it now. 10:02. What is it going to do? Tesla pulling back. See how it lines up perfectly and then decides what direction it's going to go. So it's chosen to go down on Tesla. The ones that have chosen to go up from its previous bar are IWM. All right, we're getting some buyers in QQQ, but we are at an order block. BABA opened above and is holding. Tesla below. Tesla needs to be able to hold above 442 to go to its next level. Mhm. Silver looks really good. Again, IWM is winning. IWM looks pretty good. All you got to do is get $1. That's it. That's it. If you were in green today and didn't get it, I don't know. But we had some definite momentum early on with Tesla and Nvidia. That was your dollar. I'm just trying to hold you through your spaces here. 10:04. Remember, most volume comes in around 10:07. So we're just waiting patiently to see. You see how Nvidia flipped? It's also inside of an order block, so it may be a little sluggish. These are all the things that you have to watch for when you're trading. Now, if you just want to be a swing trader, you don't care about none of this. Just wait for the price to cross 72 and get in. The 72 moving average is your money maker when you cannot watch charts every day. So you need to set alerts on TradingView or Robinhood or whatever, and make sure that you get an alert that price is crossing the 72 moving average on the 1 hour chart or the 4 hour chart to swing trade. That is how you do that. And it ends up, you can hold that trade for anywhere from 1 to 10 days sometimes. So that is the ultimate trading strategy for people who work. Day trading is a little stressful and it will make you mad and then treat people mean all day. And I don't want y'all to do that over money. So swing trading is sometimes the safest thing to do when you know you have a busy schedule. Okay. Tesla hitting 440 and pausing a little bit at 440 on the 1 hour. Nvidia hovering above its previous bar, which is a good sign that it may continue to go up. Who else is doing this? JPM is looking good. AMD is looking good. Nvidia looking good. What did we say? Nvidia looked like it could get to 190 today if it holds. It's still sluggish. Yep. IWM pushing. If you wanted to get into a Tesla sell, Tesla dropped below 440. Just ride it level to level, guys. What did I say earlier? I think that these are going to hit some highs and then pull back. Tomorrow is Friday. People are trying to take the money out of their contracts, and that means they're selling them before the time expires. These are all the little things that you only know if you're in the market for months and days at a time. This is not common knowledge, and it's okay. Just be patient with yourself. Anytime someone closes a contract out, the market moves the direction. So think about it like that. All right, Nvidia looking good above the 1 hour holding. All right, I'm going to flip it to 30-minute chart so you can see what it looks like on there. You see a little bit more action here. You see Tesla pulled back, bouncing between the 72 moving average and the 20 moving average. Nvidia staying above its close from the previous time. That's a good sign for Nvidia. BABA looks healthy and IWM is moving up. Oof. IWM is nice and cheap. Y'all hear me? Nice and cheap. Cheap contracts, IWM, TSLL, SPY, QQQ. Those can be your money makers if capital is limited at the time. You can still make a ton of money. I kid you not. All you got to do is find the day. So BABA and JPM are our guys today. Walmart coming in. Look at Walmart. IWM looks so good, guys. Oh, fantastical. Fantastic. So if 1 hour is a little bit too scary, you can always look at the 30-minute chart. Just had an SPX alert come in. That means SPY is going up. Trading is not for the weak. It is not. It will stress you out. That's why. But the only, you know what? Let me just be honest with you. The only time it's going to stress you out is if you bought too much. If you spent too much money and you knew you didn't have it, that's why you're stressed. So let's just put it like that. Okay. I used to be stressed out because I was spending my whole capital. You didn't listen. I said, okay, you need to do $20. Find something that's $20. But if you don't listen, then you just mad, right? And then you just be like, dang, I'm stressed out. I don't want to blow my account. Well, don't blow your account. Go to IWM and spend $10. Well, I can't get rich overnight. Well, no, you can't. But you can stack little baby dollars though. So speaking of, I'm doing a challenge. We're gonna call it the $150 challenge. I'm gonna get you guys, make sure you guys can get $150 starting February 1st. We're going to follow the compound mechanism, the compound interest. Okay. I'm going to call out the goal. I'll put it up there. So the goal will usually start around $7. We are going to make sure we grab our goal. If we get anything more than that, that's fantastic. But we are going to make sure we leverage correctly. So I'm not going to get in contracts that cost more than $20, $30. Okay. This is for the newbies who really are kind of nervous but don't know how to stack their account. So I'm going to go ahead and hold your hand through that. It's super fun and easy. Look at Tesla coming back strong. 444. What did I say? 444 was the number that Tesla could possibly reach. And with NVIDIA, if we put our levels on here, let me see what NVIDIA will do. I already got pivots on here for NVIDIA, but I like to see my levels with the numbers for sure. So grab my Fibonacci, lock it in. And here we go. So we're looking at between 189 and 190 for NVIDIA. Tesla, I still have faith for 444. Only because I'm looking at so many charts and analytics and scanners and all this, and Tesla's it's not scaring me off to just dump, but it is saying it is probably not going to be splendiferous going up. So 444 is where I'm seeing price could go. And if not 444, we're looking at 44312. NVIDIA, 189, 190. IWM, 266. Those are my projections. And then I'm out for the day. We only have 17 minutes left on the clock. I'm in green, IWM and NVIDIA. I'm up 73% on my IWM contracts. I got contracts for $20. Okay? $20 and $14 for each. It's in profit, $14 on each contract for $20. So we're almost at 100%. if IWM can keep going. That's just a great example of how cheap you can go. You just want $1, right? That's all. We're not asking for much. This is a skill set that'll pay you for the rest of your life. If you can get $1, you can get $10. If you can get 10, you can get 100. You can get 100, you can get 1,000. Let's go. All right. What else looks good on here? Silver. Tesla. Tesla is looking right, guys. Tesla looks like it's getting some power in there. Can it get to 444? It did open above. $444 on Tesla is what I'm looking at. All right, I'm on the 15-minute chart. Okay. Let's see. NVIDIA 189 is our hope here. And IWM is still in the green. JPM looks so good, guys, and AMD. I called out all of these today. So many money-making moments. So many. Silver is really holding. I'm talking about strong. Silver is also not too expensive either. Yep. All right, we got 15 minutes left in the session. I'm seeing NVIDIA hit to 189 today. It looks really good. If it can burst past through this next level, it's struggling though. But I still like it. I still see 189. I don't know if it can hold it. It's grabbing a lot of people here. That's why it's moving so slow. Silver is the winner. JPM, silver, AMD. AMD is cheap too. QQQ is getting momentum. What else? SPY starting to get some momentum up too. Tesla's getting momentum up. So we could be caught in a range here, guys, which is why it starts to look like this, where the next few days it'll start to look like a little roller coaster. So be very careful and do not risk a lot when you're working with a range market. Another gem. See, all these little gems that you learn after getting clapped on for years and crying for years. Because the clap is real. Lord knows. I done been clapped on several times in my career. One day you be up, and the next day you be like stuck and not up at all. But if you risk appropriately, you won't be stuck at all. You'll be like, okay, whatever. That's like a meal. Okay, I just went and spent money on something to eat. Okay, boom. I didn't blow my whole account on something that didn't matter. All right, so Tesla looks like it is doing something in the range. I feel like I do feel like NVIDIA wants to get to its order block here. That order block is 189.33. I mean, it's right there. So usually it just goes level to level. It doesn't really fate like that. These are not super volatile stocks that just go crazy and do whatever they want to do. It's very predictable. All right. All right. So where we at now, guys? Tesla's got some buying power coming in. IWM looks fantastical, guys. Let's see where we at. You know, I'm in a sorority, guys. Today's Founders Day. We have a little thing called, I'm an Alpha Kappa Alpha, and we have a cute little song called our Founders Song. It goes January 15th, 1908. Alpha Kappa Alpha did originate. But I sometimes wonder, am I a horrible sorority sister because my neighbor just wished me happy Founders Day, and I'm like, what? What? Oh, today's the 15th, and all I'm worried about is stock market. I suck. Oh, IWM is fantastic. So for all the people who didn't have a lot of capital, y'all could be making tons of money on IWM. I called it out for you. I don't know what you're doing. Okay? Make some money. IWM. That's it. IWM is sexy. It is it. It is it, guys. It is fantastical. Fantastical. Yep. I don't know. Looks like Nvidia is not. It's really not. It did a great little push up, but it looks like it's kind of halting. Tesla looks amazing though. I'm gonna just try to be patient with Nvidia. I don't know. I just can't see Nvidia coming all the way out and then not going up. So I'm gonna trust my gut on this on Nvidia. It hasn't hit my stop loss. Tesla is gonna get to 444. Looks like. Come on, Tesla, let's go. IWM looks like it's gonna get to 265. Let's go. JPM hitting it. Everything is coming into fruition on 1021. Sometimes you have to wait a little bit after 10 to get the money. But that's what's happening right now. Yep. Yep. Look at Tesla. Yep. Tesla said, we gonna get to 444. Get rich or die trying. Yep. Look at that. Tesla's not playing. He said, try to count me out. Okay. I see you, Tesla. IWM. Okay, everybody. All right, guys. Y'all should be in green. Y'all should be in green for real. I am up. I'm up on Tesla, guys. Let's go. IWM was the money maker today. Called it out. Tesla's going nuts. And it just hit 44444 angel numbers. It is 1500 day too. Shout out to 1500 and nothing. 1500. Oh, car, you gonna go to the thing? Please say yes. Please say yes, car. Oh wow, I'm green and everything. So here we go, y'all. Here's my percentages on all the things. We got 73% on IWM, 8% on Tesla. All right. We did it, guys. Grab your green. Go get your life. It was a good day, like Ice Cube said. All right, IWM, fantastic. Up 105% on IWM. I called you out, guys. I told you what to do, told you where to get in. I hope you listened. I hope. We are green on the day. We are green on the day, babies. Congratulations for everybody who took a risk today and did something that you normally don't do. 110% on IWM. Let's go. I'm proud of you guys. Taking risks. Trust in the process. IWM is fantastical. Look at SPY moving up. SPY is not playing. This was good, guys. I closed out all positions because I don't know what the heck Tesla's doing, and I'm not trying to find out. I am happy that IWM got us to 100% or more. No, absolutely not. What do you mean, no, absolutely not? Oh, you're not going? Okay. Well, positivity here. We're going to have a great day for sure because we're going to do the things we want to do. That's what we're going to do. That's the new rule. We're not worried about what other people are doing. We're worried about what we want to do. We could care less what other people are doing. We're trying to get in our bag for 2026. And if people are not helping us get in our bag, I don't know what they're doing in our life. IWM looks good. I wonder if IWM is going to go crazy for the rest of the day, guys. Remember, it's 10:26. We got 4 minutes left. All right, let me explain something on my charts if you ever see it. Right now, NVIDIA is printing a black candle. I need to tell y'all this before we go on. This is called my God candle. A lot of times with the black candle, there will be a big push up after the God candle. So if you see a black candle printed, what your job is to do is to get in at one of those levels within that black candle. So this candle has a likelihood of going up higher, probably at 11 o'clock. Okay. So if you are letting it print, you're not in NVIDIA, do some homework tonight and look at how NVIDIA reacted after this black candle, the candle at 10. What time did it start printing? It started printing at 10:15. And watch what it does after 10:15. So the 10:30 candle. Okay. So let's see it on a lower time frame. As you can see, it looks like it may want to go up, right? So imagine what this does on a daily candle. I'm going to show you guys something juicy before I log out of here on what a God candle looks like on a daily chart. Because it happened yesterday. I call it God candle. Let me see here. Let me see. Gmail. All right. Blue. All right. So yesterday, the 14th, Lululemon, I'm going to type it up here because I'm out of Tesla and Tesla's doing somewhere. So Lululemon dipped down crazy yesterday, right? Look at this. Lululemon was one of those God candles. All right, I'm going to show you on a daily chart what that looked like. Lululemon tanked yesterday and it should be black. Yes, it is. Now look what it's doing today. It's going up. These are how you catch your swing trades. So I can call out some of these in the morning so you guys can be prepared to ride it back up because that's what Lululemon's doing. So that is what we're assuming Nvidia is going to do because it just printed a black candle and it should probably come back up here to 188. As you can see, it's starting to kind of float above, kind of do a floaty deal. So anyway, that was an example. Let's see what else happened yesterday with Twilio, TWLO, Twilio or whatever. Twilio. I think that's Car's favorite ticker, Twilio. Do you love Twilio, Car? Let me see here. As you can see, price dropped down and then it looks like it is trying to come back up. See? Starting to get momentum. Now, sometimes it'll be a 2-day drop down depending on how heavy it is, but that's okay. All right. So I just wanted to show you that those are good swing opportunities when you find that the day before it dropped real bad. Those are the next days you want to hop in and get a lot of money. All right. As you can see, Nvidia is starting to print up after that God candle. So I call them God candles because this guy named Trey on YouTube, he calls it God candles, and I'm gonna call it God candles because that's what he named it. I'm gonna give him his credit. And we're in green again because of the God candle movement. All right, IWM still up 100% and going still. Okay. All righty. Woo, Nvidia is looking good. IWM. I mean, shout out if you made some money on IWM. I know some IWM people, and it's 1031 guys, and IWM is pushing up even more, and Nvidia is pushing up even more. Super money for you guys. For me to have to like log off, boop, and money and cash. All right, guys, have a great day. Go spend your money, save your money, do what you need to do. And I will see you back here tomorrow. And I'm so glad we ended in green today, over 100% contracts. All right, and I'm out. Talk to y'all later. Bye. See you, Car. Love you.